You're not wrong, but native speakers and advanced learners don't say it that way. Wanna test your English? Let's do it. Say it like a native. Hello and welcome back to Eng Vibes. In today's video, I will show you a sentence with 3 options. Choose the most natural one, because only one is correct. You will have 5 seconds to choose, but pause the video if you need more time. Keep score. If you score more than 7, your English is very strong. Good luck. So, say it like a native, not like a textbook. Textbook English is okay, but natural, native English is perfect. Alright? So the first sentence is I am very tired today. I'm very tired today. So how to say I'm very tired today without saying I'm very tired today? Is it I'm drained? Or I'm thrilled? Or I'm pissed off? Pissed off is a little bit informal, okay? 5 seconds. And the right option is number 1, I'm drained. Instead of saying I'm very tired all the time, you may say I'm drained. It has the same meaning and it's more natural. Number 2, I'm very nervous. I'm very nervous. That's R. I'm slammed. I'm freaking out. It's informal, okay? Or I'm down. 5 seconds. And the right option is number 2. I'm freaking out. Instead of saying I'm very nervous, you may say I'm freaking out, but be careful, it's informal, okay? Cool? Cool. Keep score, okay? Sentence number 3. I am very sad. I am very sad. How to say it otherwise? Is it I'm anxious, I'm shocked, or I'm feeling low? 5 seconds. And the right option is the last one, I'm feeling low. Instead of saying I'm very sad all the time. Cool? Let's keep moving. Number 4, I'm very surprised. I am very surprised. How to express this otherwise? I didn't see that coming. I'm depressed or I'm thrilled. 5 seconds. And the right option is number 1, I didn't see that coming. I didn't see that coming. Well done, Ode. Now number 5, halfway. I'm very happy. I am very happy. Is it I'm worn out? Or I'm over the moon? Or I'm swamped? 5 seconds, guys. Alright, the right option is I'm over the moon. Stop saying I'm very happy all the time. Say I'm over the moon instead. Number 6, I'm very angry. I think you know this. How to say I'm very angry without using angry? I'm on edge, I'm down, or I'm furious. Remember, there's a famous movie, popular movie. The right option is I'm furious. Yep, that's right. Well done. Number 7 now. I'm very busy today. I'm very busy today. Very busy. How to say it otherwise? I've got a lot on my plate, or I didn't see that coming, or I couldn't agree more. 5 seconds. And the right option is number 1, I've got a lot on my plate. So stop saying very busy, say I've got a lot on my plate. Number 8, I'm very confident. I'm very confident. how to say confident without using that word. I've got it. I've got this. Or that blew my mind. 5 seconds. And the right option is number 2. I've got this. It means I'm confident. Cool. Keep score, guys. Let me know. Before the last, number 9, I understand you. How to say I understand you without saying I understand you? Is it that makes sense? I'm sure of myself. I couldn't agree more. 5 seconds. And the right option is number 1. That makes sense. It means I understand you. I understand what you mean. It makes sense to me. Okay? That makes sense. You may add to me. That's an option. You can add it. It makes sense to me. And the last sentence for today. I agree with you. I agree with you. How to agree with someone? Is it I'm down, got it, or exactly? And the right option between these 3 is the last one, exactly. It means I agree with you. Before we end this video, here we have 2 more bonus sentences. Daily life expressions, highly native. Bonus, daily life expressions, highly native. So, the first bonus is, it is very easy. It is very easy. How to say it's very easy? It's a piece of cake. Or, no big deal. Or, super easy. Or, all of the above. 5 seconds. And the right answer is the last one, all of the above. You can say it's a piece of cake, no big deal, or super easy. You may exchange between them so you sound more fluent, more knowledgeable about the language. All right, and the last one is I'm relaxed now. How to say I'm relaxed? I'm chilling. I'm taking it easy. I'm laid back. Or all of the above. 5 seconds. And the right option is, again, the last one, all of the above. Instead of saying I'm relaxed now all the time, you may say I'm chilling, or I'm taking it easy, or I'm laid back. Which one you choose is the right option. And that's it for today. Kindly leave your score in the comment section below, okay? Thanks for watching. If you like this video, kindly share it with your friends, comment and subscribe if you are new. Don't hesitate to drop any question or any concern in the comment section below. Thanks again for watching. Till the next time, keep learning, keep vibing with Ing Vibes. Take good care of yourselves. See ya. Bye bye.